Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create README file for this particular project, that is Colorado Motor Vehicle Sales Analysis. First of all, I'll show you how to run this project. Just go to your project file, then open command prompt. In this, just enter streamlit run app.py. This will take you to the project. Let's wait for a few more seconds to run. It's running. You can see motor vehicle sales analysis of Colorado. The dataset is used here, so you can see the dataset overview and EDA operation which is performed here. The project is still running. EDA operations performed here of sales distribution and country analysis. You can select year and you can select the quarter. According to that, the data will be displayed in bar chart. Finally, the forecasting is used here. This forecasting represents the actual and forecasted data. You can check over here. So this is our complete project where we have pushed to GitHub. So for this, if you want to create a README file, just click over edit file there. Then present all your project details into the ChatGPT. Just copy the things. Then go to this file, select all any other things was there, just paste. Then here come to commit changes. Once you click commit changes, you will get commit message. Please update this commit message. Then extend the description if you want. That I'm going to say this is complete readme file for step-by-step execution for this project. Just press commit changes. Then you can see this is how you can look off this EDA project. If you want this project, please go into my account and get the project, that is Infini Veda. If you go to repositories, you'll be finding Colorado Sales Analysis. Just click, you can get all these files. Just download it using this HTTPS link, or else you can download the zip, then try to run. You will get perfect file. And also requirement.txt you must install. So this is it today's video guys, how to create readme file. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.